Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with freetradingvideos.com. And here we are. The Dow did end up 44 points, which is a 0.5% up, but the Nasdaq a 0.5% down. The Russell's also down 0.6%, a small increase here on the S&P. The VIX was up 9%, simmered back down, but we are still below 30. Nasdaq, Russell's dragging the market down a little bit here. So let's watch this. Here's the S&P daily. We continue inside this symmetrical triangle. At one point today, let's blow this up so we can see what's taking place. We were way down here. At the beginning of the day, we gapped down. We drop, and check this out. Let me get rid of my crosshairs. We do a touch and go right here on the 200-day moving average. See that? Touched it perfectly, shot straight back up, closing above our trend line. Isn't this trend line, I mean, it's just the best. When you learn how to draw these, I mean, it's just really fantastic on how they play out. We closed higher, so now this is more bullish. We have a lot of upside we can go. We should hang up right here. Let me look at this. If we do have resistance that we'll find right at 900, 901, I'm going to call this 901. 901 to 902. 902 is going to be a resistance area. If we blast through this, I mean, we could get up here to 910, and after 910, we're up here about 915 area. So those are my resistance areas. So I do see a better chance of going bullish at this moment than bearish, but I'll tell you, this could take a nosedive immediately. You do have a hammer formation. Hammer formation is when you have a lower shadow 2 times or more the body with little to no upper shadow. And that's precisely what we have here. So the head and shoulders is not a head and shoulders until this neckline gets pierced. It did pierce, but it did not close lower than that. So technically it is not pierced yet, and doesn't mean it's going to. We could rally high and just explode to the north, but we all know that the economy is probably not stable enough to see any sustained movement to the north. So I do expect this thing to eventually break down. If I had to guess, that would be my guess at this point, but I'm not playing that until I see it happen. So there's my long-winded way to say that's what's, we're not doing anything at this moment in the S&P. We're still within the triangle. There's still consolidation taking place. So be very careful if you're playing this. If we close higher than today, that means we get a close higher than 898. If we go higher than 899 or 900, that could be bullish, for the next few days. So I'll tell you, I just got off the phone with Matador. We were shocked. Within the first, 6 minutes, we had 85 people sign up for the V newsletter. We're well over 100 already, and we're just, a half hour, 40 minutes since then. It's not given enough people enough time this evening. We're going to extend this out right now, at least another day. So another 24 hours from now, tomorrow evening, we plan on shutting down the significant discount that we're getting. It is for life. You will be grandfathered in. It will never go up. So once this is locked in, you are guaranteed. It's our way of saying thank you for being a part of Free Trading Videos. It's our way of giving back to you guys, the one that's part of the chat room, part of the forums, the one that even heard about this order. And we want to give back, and this is our way of doing so. So we hope you take advantage of that. And just so there's no misunderstandings, it's a weekly newsletter that comes out with our personal picks, Matador's and I's personal picks, and there's a 30-day money back, no questions asked guarantee. So we take all the risk out of it. And I'll tell you, one trade could pay for the entire year of this. So it's just worth its weight in gold. We hope that you take advantage of it, and we're going to give it another 24 hours, or at least until tomorrow evening, to give everybody this evening and tomorrow a chance to benefit from this also. So thanks for being a part of Free Trading Videos. Always use a stop loss when you're out there trading, and we will catch you in the forums and also there in the chat room.